You can still kind of see the stains in there. Keep grinding it back and forth. It comes off. It works real well. Are you tired of having stains on your concrete? Here's a nice little hack to get rid of those stains. All right, it's Jeff, Concrete the Right Way. Nobody wants concrete stains, assuming oil on their concrete. I got some stains that were from my older truck, and it leaked pretty good, and I've cleaned it 100 times. I've never done it with this patch. This here is Wonder Fix. I got some chunks in there. These chunks are what you kind of want, but if you don't have the chunks, it's not that big of a deal. You can use a stone with it. It was pretty big. I've cleaned it a lot, but there's still them dark black diesel oil. So you'll just take a hard chunk if you got a hard chunk. You're just gonna rub it on there. I just go with the grain of the broom. Just rub those in real good. That stuff's gonna soak in. If you don't have any chunks or anything, just take some of the patch material and take a rock. You can take that rock in there and it'll move that patch material around a little bit. You don't want to scratch too hard. Once you're done doing that, you want to just leave it. Let it sit, let it soak up, go about your day. It's not going to be an instant thing that works this second, but it comes off. It works real well. Go try it. I promise you, you'll be happy with it. All right, this oil stain here is underneath my personal truck. My oil filter was just a little bit loose and it leaked a little bit. I got another little chunk and we'll see what we can do. Just kind of rub that in. Know the direction of the broom. It might get in there a little better. Like I said, this stuff's hard, but it still crumbles apart. It hasn't completely been. Just kind of work that back and forth. You can even work it back and forth with the brush. It's been about 10 minutes or so, but like I said, you need to leave this on. Just leave it. Don't come over here, but we're trying to show you a little bit of results. It's taken it off quite a bit. Like I said, that's been on there for a few years, and I've tried a bunch of brake cleaners and pressure washer. A miracle thing and works in 10 seconds. It has to sit there and kind of do its thing. And I've gotten it a lot lighter. It was black. For all you people out there that want to get your stains out or you're skeptic, try it. See what it does. Let me know. Let me know if it worked or if I'm full of BS.